Hi guys, welcome to another Divi theme video. We got a fun one for you today. If I roll up the screen here, we got a rolling Tickertape type banner up the top there. Really easy to do, using a bit of old style marquee code to do this today, so it's really easy. Marquee's been depreciated, but it still seems to work on most browsers, and I've got this on a lot of sites, funny enough. Really easy to do, so let's get started. I'm going to enable the Visual Builder. Let's go down and we're going to delete this section that we've got going on here, and I'll start from scratch. Okay, here's the little button and mega menu we made yesterday. I'm going to do it just above that. So I'm going to click on the section above. I'm going to hit the little blue button to add a new section. I'm going to make it a regular section. Inside my section, I'm going to have a single column. And inside, I'm just going to use a regular text module. There it is right there. Fantastic. Now, I've got no real content. Obviously, you'd have content you want to put in there about an announcement or something. I'm going to cut mine off about there. Don't want quite as much as that. But of course, that's entirely up to you. Okay, well, let's just hold that. I'm going to make my section dark in color because I'm going to have my writing red here. Then we'll make the writing the size and the color we want it, and then we'll animate it. So let's go into our little section here, blue tab. I'm going to give it a simple black background there. I'm going to take any spacing away, top and bottom. Over in design and spacing, just going to put a 0 there. That'll skinny it up a little bit. Of course, it'll get a little larger when I make my text bigger. Great. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make this row that stops here and here full width. To do that, again, I'm going to click on it, go into the row, the green tab. To make it full width, we're going to go into design, to sizing. Going to drag the width up to 100%. Going to copy it, Control C. Going to paste it down below in the max width, Control V, or you can just type it in there. Our row now goes from one side of the screen to the other side of the screen. Fantastic. Well, let's make this text the size color we want it. So I'm going to go into the module this time, dark tab to the module. We can just hover over and go to the little blue pencil that's now on the left-hand side of our screen. Now we've made the row full width. Just click on it. It'll take you straight to the design of the text, or you can just go to design and text, and there it'll be. I'm going to make mine red in color. I'm going to capitalize it. I'm going to make it bold. Let's make it ultra bold. And let's make it a lot bigger. Let's say perhaps 50 pixels. Yeah, I think that'll do. We're going to need to adjust the line height right there so that they're not crossing over each other. So let's just go up a little bit with the line height, or maybe a little bit too much there. I think that'll work for me. Fantastic. And just for fun, I'm going to give it a little bit of text shadow. I'm going to use the all-round shadow there. And I'm just going to make it red in color. Gives it a slight glow in the background there. We can make the blur a little bit more to just take it away a little bit. Great, well, let's make this rotate. And to do that, we need to go back to our content here, back to the text itself. We're going to go over from the visual tab to the text tab. You want to make sure you're in the text tab. We're going to open some pointy brackets and write the word marquee, M-A-R-Q-U-E-E, and close the bracket right there. Now I'm going to copy that. As you can see, it started rotating already there. Control C. I'm going to pop that on the end and put a little forward slash in front of the M for a closing tag there. And that's it. We've actually completed this thing already. Now let's take a look at it. I think we're okay there. It's doing everything I want it to do. Of course, you could put a link in there. If I go back into there, the dark module, remember? If you want to link this to something so that they click on it, under the content tab, we've got a link right here. Put wherever you want to take the folks, URL right there. Always best practice, if you're linking to your own site, open it in the same window. If you're linking off-site to somebody else's, open it in a new tab. That way your site's going to stay open. Now this will look just as good on tablet and mobile. Let's just check it here. Little purple button. Let's take a look on a tablet. If we roll up a little bit, here it is on the tablet. Once it disappears off that side, it'll start again this side. It's working fine. And let's have a look on a mobile phone. Fantastic. That's how it's going to look on the mobile. And like I say, if you've got a link in there, they can click on it and you can take them anywhere they want. Well, let's save this, make sure it's going to work on the front end. So we're going to save draft. And we'll exit the visual builder. And there we have it. We got our little ticker tape rolling across there. That's a real attention grabber. Like I say, Marquee has been depreciated, so it's no longer around or supported by HTML5, but it works, and I've tested it on loads of browsers, and it seems to work absolutely fine. Of course, it may just disappear in the future, but who knows? They've been saying that for 20 years or so, and it's still working today. So there you go, guys. There's how to create a ticker tape type banner for your Divi WordPress website. And this will actually work on any WordPress website. It doesn't have to be Divi because we're using HTML to do this today. This will work on any HTML site. So I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. Don't forget, if you have any questions, pop them down below the video. I'll do my best to answer them, or make a little demo video like this one. If you use this in your builds, drop a link below. We'd love to take a look and show everybody your work. So once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.